Kia ora, that's hello in Maori. Maori cuisine is more than just food. It tells the story of New Zealand. Imagine cooking over hot stones buried in the earth or sharing a simple meal with family under the stars. That's what Maori food is all about. When we understand Maori cuisine, we understand the heart of New Zealand. Maori food is about connection, connection to the land, connection to the sea, and connection to each other. It's about respecting the ingredients and where they come from. And it's about sharing food and stories with the people you love. In this journey through Maori cuisine, we'll explore traditional ingredients, cooking methods, and even how food is presented. Get ready to discover the unique flavors of Aotearoa, New Zealand, and the stories they tell. Maori cuisine is all about fresh, natural ingredients. The land and sea provide everything you need for a delicious and nourishing meal. Let's start with kumara, the Maori sweet potato. It's a staple ingredient, naturally sweet and delicious roasted, boiled, or fried. Next up is seafood. The ocean surrounding New Zealand is teeming with delicious fish and shellfish. Think snapper, a firm white fish perfect for grilling or baking. And don't forget about kahawai, another favorite known for its rich flavor. From the forest comes piko, young fern fronds with a delicate taste. These are often added to soups and stews for a unique flavor. And for a bit of spice, look for horopito, a native pepper plant with leaves that add a peppery kick to any dish. These are just a few of the many traditional Maori ingredients. Each one has a unique story to tell, a connection to the land and the people who have been cooking with them for centuries. Maori cooking is all about using simple techniques that enhance the natural flavors of the ingredients. One of the most well-known methods is the hangi. Imagine digging a pit in the ground, lining it with hot stones, and cooking your food underground. The hangi is a slow cooking method that results in incredibly tender meat and vegetables infused with smoky flavor. But it's not just about the food. The hangi is a social occasion, a time for families and communities to come together, share stories, and celebrate. Another traditional method is steaming. Food is often wrapped in leaves or placed in baskets and cooked over boiling water. This gentle method helps to retain moisture and nutrients, resulting in flavorful and healthy dishes. And of course, no Kiwi feast is complete without a BBQ. Grilling over an open flame is a popular way to cook meat and seafood, giving it a delicious smoky char. Section 4. A feast for the senses, presenting Maori dishes. Presentation is key in Maori culture. Food isn't just meant to be eaten, it's meant to be experienced with all the senses. When you present Maori dishes, you're showcasing the beauty of the ingredients and the traditions behind them. Think natural materials. Dishes are often served on woven flax mats or in carved wooden bowls. These elements add a touch of rustic elegance to any meal. And don't forget the garnish. Fresh herbs, colorful flowers, and even shells are used to add visual appeal and represent the bounty of nature. Remember, sharing is caring. Maori meals are usually served family style, with everyone gathered around a table laden with food. This encourages conversation and a sense of community. Section 5. Respecting the tradition authenticity in Maori cuisine. As we explore the world of Maori cuisine, it's essential to approach it with respect and a desire for authenticity. This means understanding the cultural significance behind the dishes, the ingredients, and the cooking methods. Start by researching and learning from authentic sources. Seek out recipes from Maori chefs and elders who have been passing down their knowledge for generations. And don't be afraid to ask questions. The more you learn, the more you'll appreciate the depth and richness of Maori cuisine. When selecting ingredients, try to source them locally and sustainably. Support Maori-owned businesses and farmers who are committed to preserving traditional farming practices. Remember, cooking Maori food is a privilege, not a right. Approach it with humility, respect, and a willingness to learn. By doing so, you can help to keep these traditions alive for generations to come.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.